motion in the last class. First equation of motion is nothing but v is equal to u plus at, and we call them as first equation of motion. And another name for first equation of motion is velocity time relation. Now we are going to derive second equation of motion. Listen carefully. Second equation of motion. Second equation of motion, it is given by S is equal to ut plus half at square. So this we are going to derive. S is equal to ut plus half at square. We can also call it as displacement time relation. Displacement time relation. So second equation of motion can be also called as displacement time relation. Now you consider one vehicle. Consider one vehicle which is moving in a straight line with initial velocity u. Its initial velocity u. U, and it has traveled the distance of s, displacement, where it's within a time t seconds. T seconds, and it is moving with uniform acceleration. Here small a means, already I told, equations of motion are applicable for a body moving with uniform acceleration. Here the uniform acceleration is a. So let me write in sentence. Consider an object moving with initial velocity u. So after time t seconds, let its final velocity be v, and attains final velocity v. And here one more thing, the object is moving with uniform acceleration. Already I told, object is moving with uniform acceleration. Object is moving with uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration a. So an object is moving, or vehicle is moving with initial velocity u, and it has traveled displacement s in time t seconds. After time t seconds, it has attained final velocity v. Now you see here. So average speed I will take. This is u, initial velocity, final velocity. Initial velocity, final velocity, or uv. So average of two, you know that average of two numbers a plus b by 2. In the same way, I will take average velocity. Average velocity. Average velocity. So u plus v by 2. So average velocity I am going to take. Average of two numbers ab is a plus b by 2. Sum of the variables by number of variables. That is the average. So this average, v average I will write this one as v plus u by 2, same. Now, from the definition of velocity, so velocity is equal to displacement by time. Already you know displacement by time. So here V average I am going to take. So V average is equal to velocity average. Average velocity is equal to displacement by time. Now V average equal to displacement by time. I will cross multiply. So V average into time is equal to S, displacement. V average V plus U by 2 into T is equal to S. So now here V plus U, instead of V, I will take first equation of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. Instead of U, I will replace V with U plus AT. V means U plus AT from first equation of motion, plus U by 2 into T is equal to S, since V is equal to U plus AT. Just I have replaced V with U plus AT in the first equation of motion. So it will become, now you see here, U plus U, 2U plus AT by 2 into T is equal to S. Now this is in the form of LCM. Just bifurcate. 2U by 2 plus AT by 2 into T is equal to S. Get cancelled. U plus AT by 2 into T is equal to S. Multiply with the T. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is the second equation of motion. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This derivation also very, very important. Let me once again revise whatever I have said. So we have considered an object moving with initial velocity u, and it is moving with uniform acceleration a, and it has taken time t, and it has traveled distance or displacement s. So here coming unmute, unmute. Is it clear, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear now?
Once again.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we explain once again? Shall we explain once again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, move for both right sides, sir.
Okay.
Screenshot.
Right, listen here. So you can see here, first shift here. Now you take this one, average velocity. Average velocity means you take average. If you take in mathematics average of two numbers a, b, so average of that will become a plus b by 2. In the same way, so sum of the events by number of the events. In the same way, here initial velocity and final velocity. So average velocity will become u plus v by 2. So v average is equal to v plus u by 2. From the definition of velocity, so velocity definition is equal to displacement by time. So here I will take, instead of velocity, I will take average velocity. So v average is equal to displacement by time, cross multiplication. V average into time is equal to s. So v average means v plus u by 2. V means here from first equation of motion you can take u plus at by 2, and here you can see Instead of v, I have taken u plus at plus already u is there by 2 into t is equal to s, since I have mentioned in the bracket first equation of motion. Next, u plus u means 2u plus at by 2 into t. This is in the form of LCM. A plus b by 2 means a by 2 plus b by 2. So 2u by 2 plus at by 2 into t. Just after simplifying, I got the s is equal to ut plus of a display. Let me take the snapshot of this. So I have taken. Next, we will go for third equation of motion. Now we will go for third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. So third equation of motion is represented v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is also called velocity displacement relation. Third equation of motion can be also called as velocity displacement relation. Now here consider a vehicle in the same way. Consider an object which is moving with same. Every case the diagram is almost all same. So consider a vehicle which is moving with initial velocity u and it is moving with uniform acceleration a. After some time, after t seconds, it has covered the displacement s and it has attained final velocity v. Time taken is t seconds. This is the situation. Consider an object, you write. Consider an object moving with, consider an object moving with initial velocity u and attains final velocity v after time t seconds. And it has traveled displacement of s. Now again you will take the same definition v. So from the definition of acceleration, acceleration, so actually a is equal to change in velocity by time. Now this implies I will replace a here, t here. So t will become v minus u by this, a will come here. Now just replacing a and t. Now v average you already know, v plus u by 2. V average is equal to velocity is equal to displacement by time. V average means V plus U by 2 is equal to S. Instead of T, I will replace this one. T, instead of T, I will write V minus U by A. Now you cross multiply. V plus U by 2 into V minus U by A is equal to S. So you got here. Now you see here in the numerator, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So you know A square minus B square. V plus U into V minus U. V square minus U square. And if you multiply this one by 2A is equal to S. Cross multiply. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. This is the equation. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Let me repeat once again. Consider an object which is moving with initial velocity U and it is moving with uniform acceleration A, attains final velocity V, and it has traveled distance, displacement S. I have written that one. Now I have taken the help of acceleration definition. Acceleration is equal to V minus U by T. Here I will replace, just replacing T and A. T is equal to V minus U by A. Now I will take average, V average equal to V plus U by 2. V average is equal to S by T. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. So V average means V plus U by 2 is equal to S by, instead of T, I will replace this one, V minus U by A. Cross multiply. You are going to get this term. So numerator is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. By multiplying, you are going to get Newton and Newton.
No doubt, sir. All clear.
Tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt,
Understood?
sir. I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Why we took V average equals to V plus U by 2, sir?
V average means you can take no average of two numbers. Here we are having two
We
velocities.
are not able to listen, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mute.
Getting disturbance from.
Okay, one
Yes,
second.
sir. Getting disturbed.
Disturbance, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Signal
Yes,
problem. Listen here. Listen.
Yes.
V average, because throughout the journey from here to here, we can't say that we can't predict what is the average. So we will take average velocity traveled by the vehicle during the journey. So that's why we have taken V average. V average means average speed or average velocity we have told now. So throughout the journey, we can't say how much speed or how much velocity an object is moving with. So for that sake, we will take the help of V average. So V average means V plus U by 2. Madam, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Sir, then why you wrote V average equals to S by T, sir?
So much
V average means velocity is equal to displacement by time. Just instead of velocity, I have taken
Okay,
average
sir.
velocity.
Okay, sir. Sir, once show last side, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir, somewhat right.
disturbance.
Is it okay?
No, sir.
Let me take the pic.
Sir, one.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Then we will go for next
No,
derivation.
sir. No doubt, sir. Thank you.
No, sir, all clear, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Now we will go
Thank you,
for
sir.
third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. Third equation completed. Fourth equation.
Okay, sir.
Fourth equation of motion is very, very important. And here, let me write distance traveled by the body. Distance traveled by the body in nth second. Nth second. So formula Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. U plus a into n minus 1 by 2. N minus 1 by 2, sorry. S nth is equal to u plus. Now you consider here one object has traveled a distance. For first second, it is 1. Second second, 2 seconds, it has traveled this one, 3 seconds. So up to n seconds. So that means from 1 to up to n seconds, the object has traveled. Now, so you know 1 second, 2 seconds. For every second, it is increasing. So up to n seconds, it has traveled. Before this n, in the same way, before 3s, it is 3 minus 1, 2. In the same way, before n seconds, it is n minus 1 second. N minus 1 second. Distance traveled by the body from first second to nth second. Here, so 1 second, the distance traveled. For 2 seconds, 3 seconds, up to n seconds. Before n seconds, if you have to subtract 1, n minus 1 second. Now I want to calculate the distance covered in this particular second, nth second only. This particular distance I want to know. How can I? So total distance is Sn, distance travel for n seconds. And nth second, up to here, distance traveled in n minus 1 second. So from overall Sn, if I subtract Sn minus 1, I am going to calculate the distance traveled in nth second. This is the distance traveled in nth second. I will repeat. This is somewhat difficulty among all equations of motion. This is somewhat difficult and also very, very important also. So I have considered an object moving for 1 second, for 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Like that, I want to calculate for n seconds. Now 1, 2, 3, it is increasing. So if it is n means before second is n minus 1 second. I want to calculate the distance traveled in particular nth second. Nth second. That means this distance I want to calculate. Distance traveled by the body in nth second. Here, n seconds is different from nth second. Once again, I am nth second. Nth second means distance traveled in this particular time. So here, if I want to calculate the distance traveled in particular nth second, first I want to calculate the displacement for n seconds, and I will calculate the displacement for n minus 1 second. So from here to here, if I subtract from here to here, I am going to get distance traveled in nth second. Now you see here, you know, displacement for displacement time relation, second equation of motion. Displacement time relation. When time n is equal to 1 second, S1 is equal to u into, here t is equal to 1 second, u into ut plus half a t square, no? So yes, distance traveled for 1 second. u into t means 1 plus 1 by 2 a 1 square. So if the distance displacement for 2 seconds, s2 is equal to u into 2 plus 1 by 2 a 2 square. Just applying this formula. In the same way, I will calculate the distance traveled by for n second. Sn is equal to, instead of t, t, you have to replace with n. U into n, Sn plus 1 by 2 a n square. S1 means time is equal to 1. Here Sn means time is equal to n. In the same way, I will calculate this one also. Distance displacement traveled for n minus 1 second. Sn minus 1. So instead of t, you replace with n minus 1. N minus 1 whole square. So just in order to calculate this portion of the distance, we have to calculate the displacement from here to here, and we will calculate the displacement from here to here. I will subtract Sn minus 1 will give the distance traveled by the body in the nth second. So now I got these two equations. What is S1? Displacement for 1 second. S2 means displacement for 2 seconds. In the same way, displacement for n seconds. So instead of 1, 2, you replace with n. Distance travel for n minus 1 second. Instead of 1, 2, you replace. So these two are very important now. 1, 2 equation. From this 1 and 2 equations, we are going to calculate distance traveled in nth second. Now see here. Now displacement traveled in nth second is now you see here distance traveled in nth second is equal to S displacement for n second minus displacement for n minus 1 seconds. So these two equations, 1 and 2 equations, we have to substitute. So Sn, what is this? Snth. So Snth is different from Sn and Sn minus 1. Sn means displacement for n seconds. Sn minus 1 means displacement for n minus 1 seconds. And Snth means distance traveled by the body in nth second. So Snth is equal to Sn. Sn means how much? Un plus 1 by 2 an square minus u into n minus 1, this one I am writing, plus 1 by 2 a n minus 1 whole square. Just in the place of n, you have to replace n. And here Sn minus 1 means n is replaced by n minus 1 whole square. Simplify. Un plus 1 by 2 an square minus multiply un minus u plus 1 by 2 a. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So un plus 1 by 2 an square minus un minus u. You multiply 1 by 2 an square, 2 get cancelled, minus an plus 1 by 2 a. Now multiply with minus un plus 1 by 2 an square minus un plus u minus of an square plus an minus 1 by 2 a. Get cancelled. So you are going to get u plus an minus 1 by 2 a. U plus take a common, n minus 1 by n minus 1 by 2. So Snth, distance traveled by the body in the nth second is u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. n minus 1 by 2. So this is somewhat lengthy derivation, but just only let me take the pick. Madam, unmute. Tell me, my dear students, any doubts?
Sir, not understood, sir.
Not understood?
Not understood, sir.
13 who left, sir.
I did not understood this.
Can you
Sir, I
able to
did
see
not
now?
understood, sir.
Nothing
could not also
understood.
Okay, listen what I am saying. Listen.
Yes, sir.
Be silent. So displacement for 1 second.
Sir,
Displacement
mute everyone and tell, sir.
Sir, say simplifying, sir.
Distance traveled by per 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. I want to know up to n seconds. This one. So it is increasing now 1, 2, 3. Like that, n means before n minus 1 seconds. So I want to calculate distance traveled in nth second. Only this particular distance I want to calculate nth second. So nth second means from here to here. And I will calculate from here to here distance traveled for n minus 1 second. So if I subtract Sn and Sn minus 1, I am going to get this part. Total part minus this part will give the distance traveled in nth second, that part. So you can see displacement for 1 second. Time is equal to 1 means S1 is equal to U into 1 plus S2. In the same way, Sn, instead of T, you have to replace with N. N minus 1, instead of T, you have to replace N minus. These two equations are very, very important. If you subtract Sn minus 1, you are going to get the distance traveled in nth second. Mute man, unmute man. Clear, ma?
Once you say calculation, sir.
Sir, say, explain the calculation.
Explain,
Clear,
explain.
sir.
Displacement
Calculation,
time
sir.
relation. Down
Calculation with an example.
One at a time. One at a time.
Explain
One at a time.
Sir,
calculation,
explain the
sir.
calculation,
Calculation,
sir.
where here?
From
Here,
first
sir.
onwards.
Yes, sir.
Here.
Yes,
Is
sir.
there time?
Unmute and
Okay,
say,
okay.
sir.
Say all calculation.
Already, what is this displacement for 1 second? So I have to take time is equal to 1 second. S1 is equal to, instead of time, I will take 1. So displacement for 2 seconds. In the same way, displacement for n second. So u into, instead of t, I will replace with n. Un plus half a n square. Displacement for n minus 1 seconds. Instead of t, I have to replace n minus 1. U into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 a n minus 1 whole square. Distance traveled in nth second is equal to Sn minus S. Just here you see here un plus 1 by 2 a n square minus this, you multiply u into n, u into minus 1 minus u plus 1 by 2. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Un plus 1 by 2 an square minus, you just multiply 1 by 2a, you multiply, just multiplication only. Multiplication only. Madam, mute. Unmute me. Yes, tell me.
Understood, sir.
Equations of
Sir,
motion,
move.
if you practice on the
Move
camera,
right side.
now it is okay.
Right side.
Right side.
Last one.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Still no, sir.
now
Move,
you
sir.
will understand these 4 equations of motion. If you practice on the paper without seeing, then you will understand better. You will get doubts whenever you
Okay,
put it
sir.
on the paper. Now tell me, any doubts now?
Disturbance, sir.
You can ask any doubts now.
S1 is equal to UT plus half 80 square. Why we should take?
Sn means instead of t, you have to replace with 1.
Okay, sir.
2 into 1 plus 1 by 2, a into 1 square means 1. S2 means in the place of t you replace with 2. Like that, in the place of t, n I have replaced. In the place of t, I have replaced n minus 1.
Okay, sir.
Sir, move somewhat right side, sir.
Right side. Okay.
Sir, how
Sir, you are moving left side only, sir. Move, sir, right side, sir.
Right side.
Yes,
Where I
sir.
have to? This side. This side.
Last side. Last side.
Last star. Last one. This one. You focus on this one. Okay, na?
Yes,
Is it okay?
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Tell me any doubts.
how we get minus AN, sir?
No doubt, sir.
Minus?
AN.
But this part you put it on the paper. You will understand. Simply by seeing, you can't explain your doubt. Okay, na? Everything
Yes,
is
sir.
a matter of simplification, mathematics.
Sir.
Just multiplying with minus, cancelling the terms. Just this one. And this n minus 1 is in the form of a minus b whole square. Clear, ma?
And yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You can ask any doubt.
Thank you,
I
sir.
will have. I am having 5 minutes. Fine.
you,
You
sir.
can ask. You can ask any doubt.
Sir, class completed, sir.
Class 5 minutes is there. For your doubt section, I am keeping. Now you clarify what is the first equation of motion. Tell me answers. First equation of motion.
S
B
equals
is
to u
equal to
plus
U
A.
plus
First equation of
B
motion.
equals to
B
u
is
plus
equal to U
AP.
plus AT.
What is the other name for first equation of motion?
Velocity time relation.
Very good. What is the second equation of motion?
S equals
S
to
equal
u
to U
plus
plus
half
U
AP
plus
square.
half AT square.
S is equal to not u plus ut plus half
UT
AT.
plus half AT square.
What is the other name for second equation of motion?
Displacement time relation.
Displacement time.
What is the third equation of motion?
V square
Square
minus
minus U square
equals
is equal to 2AS.
What is the other name for third equation of motion?
velocity displacement
Velocity displacement relation.
relation.
The fourth equation. What is the fourth equation?
Yes,
Yes, and to u plus
N minus 1 by
Distance traveled by the body in nth second. Okay, na?
second.
This fourth equation is very important. Third, fourth, very important, because fourth is somewhat difficult. It contains somewhat lengthy calculation. So for that, once to practice these four equations of motion on the paper without seeing, then I think you are comfortable. Just by listening, you can't understand. When you do that, just like mathematical problems, so if you derive, you can you will get doubts like this. You will get doubts on simplification. You may get doubts on concept wise. Then if you have any doubts tomorrow, you can ask me. First 10 minutes tomorrow, I am going to just keep the doubt session on equations of motion.
Sir, the class is completed, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My suggestion is you practice four equations of motion today on white paper. If you have any
Sir, class
doubts
is completed,
tomorrow,
sir.
first let me say, I am saying the class now. When I am standing in front of you, I am in the class only. Class is completed. Why you are asking? My sincere request to all the students, you practice four equations of motion today. I am going to send the pics if you send a message to WhatsApp. So when you practice today, you are going to get doubts. Tomorrow, whatever doubts, I will give chance to everyone. You can express your doubts. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you practice only, you will get doubts. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
seeing means you can't understand the simplification or concept. Okay. So those who want to,
sir. Can
those who
explain
want to
explanation.
snap, you can
Okay,
ask your
sir.
principals, or you can directly send
Yes, sir.
message
Okay,
to
sir.
me. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow after doubt section, we are going to do some problems based on equations of motion. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I want recording link, man.
sir.
Yes, sir.
వెళ్ళిపోవాలా మీరు ఏమన్నా తొందరగా